Myntri nang ba ke Jylla konrat sangma hagas ngi balang hambayak ten bat kilat patai gubor la kadon em kalat ban pinduna ya gijing Shimram ke Sorkar ulong bakane karukom Shimrai kala kekam bajule da baro ki Sorkar hapo keri India ulong ru ban keleng ke Sorkar Pdeng kala bu ru da upot Haduh Katno bala ban Shimram pada ke bala bu de ke Sorkar Pdeng ke Sorkar Jylla ru kamla ban tam Ïathuh upot kumta ulong kat ba karoi kesan kadang kiu kumta ru ke Sorkar ka yai lang hakijing don kam ban pelut pada badan kam ru hap Shim beit da karam.
See, it's like this. When it comes to borrowings and the expenditures and the different schemes that we take up, Government of India has very strong mechanism and they have a very strong monitoring system where no state can go beyond a certain level. So at the end of the day, even if say Government of Meghalaya desires to or intends to take anything beyond what it is supposed to take, Government of India will put a stop to it. So there is no way in which we can go beyond certain limit. The question that you're asking is that these numbers are going up, but that's what growth is. Any organization or any state has to borrow. It's the normal process. But the question is that the borrowing has to be within a limit. And if you don't actually end up using all the money that is there at your disposal for the growth, then you are also being responsible in one way of not really utilizing the sources that are available. In large cases, if you look at economies that are facing difficulties, you will find that governments obviously come in and they always pump in and spend more so that they give a boost to the economy. So government plays a very important role in order to give that inertia and push to the overall demand, and that's what we've been doing. But that effect and the sustainability should be reflected in terms of the businesses and entrepreneurship and investments that should come up. And hence, if you look at our program policy, while the government is spending, we're also ensuring that we are creating that sustainable environment for private sector to come up, because that's how ultimately we'll take advantage of the overall investments that the government is making. So it's a complete strategy which involves different stakeholders.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.